This is the second part of color clearance with the extra black. Having ability to finishing frames, it is crucial to win more frames and matches. In this video, we will show you the way how to get position for the yellow ball when the cue ball is slightly higher black ball spot and you shooting black ball to the left corner pocket. Cue ball slightly higher black ball spot, and the best way to get to the yellow ball is to use two cushions, slightly below cue ball center with a touch of the left hand side. Try to play a little bit faster than medium pace. First shot I played slightly too slow, and now I have a long yellow ball to play it. The most important thing here is to pot the ball. I need very good cue action and timing to play it with the precision. Maximum screw back shot and position for the green. Cue ball speed faster than medium pace. I wanted to be lower with the cue ball than right now, but still I am the good position. The only problem I see here, I have to play it slowly, which is not very good in such a distance and thin angle. Anyway, slower pace will help me to control cue ball well and make good position for the brown ball. I'm dead straight for the brown ball. I can only play screw back shot and make position slightly higher than blue ball spot. Don't try to play too hard. You will miss position and have more chance to miss the pot. Maximum smooth backswing and nice straight cue delivery. Straight blue ball position. Flop shot I play slightly too hard. I can get closer to the pink ball from this position. It shows how good positional angles are important for the break building. Anyway, from this position I decided to play 2 points below cue ball center, because for the right hand player on the right side of the table it is easier to reach the table and be more comfortable. Stun shot for the black and position for the right corner pocket. Make sure to pot the ball and play it smoothly. Seventh shot, simple black, played pocket speed and pot the ball. If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.